see, we've taken our cutout pieces and this piece and we've sprayed it with spray tack. I've sprayed the underside first and then flipped it over and then sprayed this side. That way these edges here can wrap over and stick. And it's just about time for the second coat. Now, you want to do it thick, but not too thick that you have lumps in it. But we're coming along. I'll come back to you when this piece is totally wrapped. Basically, you're going to take your piece and put it where you put your markings, and then start from this edge here and just kind of roll it on like this with your fingers, and then smoothly, you know, till you get all the way around. But coming along. In, put it back, put it not disregard my nasty formats, but that's pretty much all the pieces that I want to install right now. Just a big main piece and a couple small pieces. We're gonna tweak the other pieces and make them work a little bit better. But coming along.